I know you've been waiting for oh so long, begging and pleading for a CBREEZE song. I've been tame and I've been calm. Now it's time for me to pull the alarm. Step on up, here's your chance, cause the next one might not make you dance. Listen to the breeze, hear what I say. Get on the floor while the speakers sway. You don't need fortune, you don't need fame. Celebrate your life, go dancing in the rain. Come on, put that body in movement. Before too long you'll see improvement. Stay on the floor till you're dripping wet. Turn up the volume like a turbo vet. Let all the losers laugh and point. You'll be laughing when you leave the joint. Cause at the end of the show, you'll have all the feet, white D's in tow. You don't need fortune, you don't need fame. Celebrate your life, go dancing in the rain. I don't want to hear that you can't dance. Take a deep breath, take a b-boy stance. Drop your arm down to the side, let your right foot out, let it glide. Now do the left just like the right, and you'll be rocking till the morning light. So come on, hit the floor with me, and you'll be rocking like Heavy D. You don't need fortune, you don't need fame. Celebrate your life, go dancing in the rain. It don't matter if you're old or young. Hit the dance floor and have some fun. Love who you are, love who you ain't. Let the players play and the haters hate. Just feel that beat, feel it all night. You'll be rocking till the morning light. Don't say you can't dance and sing. Just feel the beat, let your tail swing. Now if you start to get too hot, just break it down, do the robot. So listen to the breeze, hear what I say. Celebrate your life, go dancing in the rain.